Hey, this is Phil. I just wanted to go over this AUDCAD short that I showed a few weeks ago and how I plan on managing this trade. So if we are looking at this on the daily, we can see my entry was set just underneath the daily 200, and we also had the weekly 55 touching the 78.6 fib, giving me reasons that if price approaches this area, I think it would get rejected, and we can see that's exactly what happened. Nice arch just right up to the EMAs and then back down. So let's zoom in on the 4 hour to get a better idea of how I've played this trade out and how I plan to continue playing this trade out. My stop loss, I moved back up to about where I had it set for the forward order so that I could demonstrate what I did throughout this move. So we can see price came up, hit my entry, and then it kind of bobbed up and down, retesting these EMAs before finally making lower lows, lower highs, and now way lower lows. So when price gets about 30 to 40 pips in profit, so about in this area, we can see this doji is right at 30 pips. That's when I know it's probably safe enough to move my stop loss at least to break even, about right there. Okay, so price is here, I move my stop loss. Plus we can see it's kind of making that new structure of a lower high and then making its way back down, especially after that doji. So into here, once it comes back towards that 30 pip range and it's bearishly moving down, then I know stop loss should be safe there. You know, it could always turn around, but this way I'm at least protecting myself and not risking any loss. Price keeps moving down, making new structure, and now it is underneath these 4 hour EMAs and the daily 55. So now I feel even more comfortable bringing my stop loss right here, just above the spike of this candle, trying to gasp for air before going underneath these EMAs. Now we can see where price is currently. It's above this kind of imaginary support resistance line right here that we have from these candles. And it's, I guess, looking to the left, if we zoom out, look on the daily, we could probably see we have these areas here, and it's might be afraid of this 0.89 psych level. Although more recently, we saw that it was able to push through. So what I've done is I've closed half this trade right as where it sits, just above 100 pips or so. Yep, just nearing about 110 pips, which is, for its current move, almost its max. We might see it push past its max, but it's been struggling here, we can see, for a few hours. Now it's pushing back down. So I'm going to let the remainder run to see if it can make its way back all the way down here to where I have my take profit set. But if not, otherwise, I've already closed half the trade and I've locked in profits right above these EMAs. Even have the 1 hour EMA in there and the 4 hour EMAs helping protect the price from going back up towards my stop loss. Anyways, that's how I managed this trade. I hope you caught this one with me. And if you haven't managed it already, make sure you do the steps that I've done. Take care. Talk to you soon.